So the Optimus Plus sound level meter, it won't do anything, of course, until you turn it on. So we have an on-off button on the side here. And to turn this on, you hold down the button for about a second, and then if you wait, what you'll find is that the screen will burst into life. So here is our Optimus Plus. It's turned on, and you can see we've got our screen here. And if you want to turn the instrument off, then again, the on-off button on the left-hand side, what you need to do is you need to hold that button in. I'm doing that with I'll do that with my finger on this side, just so you can see it. You hold it in until you can see that little white dot go all the way across the screen, and then the unit will shut down safely. The reason why that's there is so that it makes sure that you don't turn it off accidentally, which wouldn't be very good in the middle of a measurement.